The next step is we want to drill a hole so we can mount that. So we're going to see if we can hit it here. We've got to go a little higher. So we'll do that, and then we'll take our Dremel here and take this out some so we can inset our screw and cover it up. Should work. And we're going to use 1 5/8" screw. I think that's going to be long enough. Now we have that one set, so now we're going to do the same to this side. Go up a little higher again. There we go. And again, we'll use our Dremel to open this up some. That's so we can inset our screw and we can cover it up with wood putty later. Okay. We'll try our mouthpiece here. So that's that piece. We'll do the same to the other side, and then I'll put a little glue in here to help keep it from twisting later on. So thanks for watching. We'll be back with the next step.